There's a lawsuit against a new law that allows cops to tell you to stand back 25 feet from any area that they're working in. So let's talk about it. Now, this law applies to anyone that is around a working cop, and they can tell you for any reason to step back 8 meters, which is 25 feet from their working area. And this seems like an attack on people being able to film cops and to be able to report on anything a cop is doing. Now, the law is pretty broad. It doesn't require the cop to be suspicious of you. It doesn't require that person they're telling to step back to have committed any crime. It doesn't require them to really have any reason other than they don't want them within 25 feet of where they're working. Now, there was 6 different news organizations that jointly filed a lawsuit in order to block this. They have not blocked it so far, and as of August 1st of 2024, it is still in effect. However, there have been no arrests for it yet. And because there is no arrest, the state is wanting the judge to dismiss this case as saying that it is a preemptive lawsuit without a defendant, without anyone to actually claim that they've been damaged or harmed by this law. My personal take on this: First Amendment protects the free press, and forcing undue restrictions on them seems excessive. 25 feet away is going to be too far away for most camera, most phone, microphones in order to be able to pick up on what a cop is saying. I'm not saying that you have to be on top of a cop while they're working, but if you're a few feet away and you're filming a cop that may or may not be doing something wrong or right, that should be a legal thing to do. And this just seems like an obvious attack on people being able to surveil the cops as they're doing their job. And unfortunately, there are too many cops out there that don't go by the book and do things wrong, and there should be accountability from that. And the easiest way to have accountability is through cameras. And if cops just had their cameras on like they should, or had their dashboard cameras activated like they should, we wouldn't need to record them in order to see what they're doing. So I hope this lawsuit wins, and I hope this law is repealed, but we'll see where this goes.